Hi Barbie, this is Heather Dubé from Dubé Designs, and welcome back to the Barbie series. Usually we have a slightly different setup that is behind me, but I'm going to be brutally honest with you guys, since I feel like we're friends, and my desk is so messy. Just the messiest place in my home right now is my desk area. And usually I would just slide everything to the floor and be like, you guys won't know, It's so bad. It's really bad, it's really tragic, it's really upsetting. Today, we've got some Dubé designs behind us, and that's going to be our setup, and we're going to deal with it, we're going to love it. Today, it's actually kind of a special video, because we've got a double feature, if you will. So exciting. This past week, I actually traveled for a few different reasons to Charleston. One of the big reasons I went to Charleston, South Carolina, however, was to attend a Barbie premiere party. So exciting. Now you're saying to yourself, oh my god, Heather, how did you get invited to an official Barbie premiere party? I did not. It was not official. It was something I had to pay to go to. But you know what? It was exciting. I went with my girlfriend, and I met my college friend there who told us about it, invited us, and it was great. But I decided to use this opportunity, if you will, to expand the collection. We're doing the Barbie series. I'm expanding this collection. I'm going to a Barbie movie and then a Barbie premiere party. I'm going to make an outfit. But you're saying to yourself, one outfit, Heather? That's two events, the movie, and then you have a premiere party. They're separate from each other because it's not an official event, because you're not invited to an official event, because you have like 4 subscribers. You're correct. So I couldn't just make one out. You can't just make one outfit and wear it twice. What if someone went to the movie and then somebody went to the party? They would know that I wore the same thing twice. We can't have that. We can't have that. Absolutely not. Oh my god, I have to keep up my appearance of being the most fashionable person alive. This is important to me. I'm a Leo. Okay? I also realized I didn't recognize my new hair color and haircut. I have like a blonde mullet now, which is pretty exciting. She'll stay for a little while this time. Oh god. Not the tie. Can we just like side note, can we talk about how sexy I look right now? Oh, trust me, I have running shorts on underneath this, but you guys don't see that, so all you see is the beauty, the grace, Miss United States of... I don't know why I said that. That's a really weird and specific thing to say, but I look incredible. It's the pink. Goes with everything. Beautiful from head to toe. The little tie and the little sweater and the little off-the-shoulder moment, the little peekaboo. Oh, I'm slaying. Anyway, I had to make 2 outfits. I had exactly 2 days to do this. 1 day per outfit. And I didn't have the entire day. Fun fact. Because I had so much to do during those 2 days that my life kind of felt like it was never ending. But it was really important to me to get this done, okay? So I had a vision for both of these. My idea for the party, okay, was hoe down, throw down Barbie. You're saying to yourself, Western Barbie, country, cowgirl Barbie, that already happened in the movie. No. Hoe down, throw down Barbie. I said what I said. Hannah Montana, hoe down, throw down Barbie, the movie. Had a love child. That's what I wanted to create. And I did. And it slays. For the movie, I was like, I want something comfortable. I want something I can sit in, but I want something hot pink. Hot pink. I went through a few different iterations for that look. At first, it was a patchwork vest, and then patchwork shorts, and then I was like, I don't know, that's kind of a lot, and that's kind of not the vision at all. And then it turned into what you're going to see in a minute, which is a velvet vest. Absolute slay. Anyways, I had to make 2 outfits at a rapid pace, and we're going to jump into the cute little vlog of me making those outfits, going to the movie, my thoughts on the movie, going to a Barbie premiere party, what that looks like, all the fun that I had, and what this second outfit looked like right now. Are you guys so excited? I'm so excited. I'm terrible at transitions, we know this. Alright guys, jumping straight off the bat, we have got the fabrics chosen for the hoe down, throw down dress. I went with the gingham, of course. The floral I've used a few times, and then like a blue lining for underneath the floral. Here I'm making the gingham like top part. I'm just sewing it in on the sides, and then I'm gonna add some darts on, which is what I'm like showing you right now. Next I am adding, well, these are like the skirt parts that I cut out. I promise it was not this like wrinkly. I ended up steaming it, so it was fine, but in that particular shot it was so wrinkly, and I lost some of the footage for this video, so I was like, I'm using all that I have. Anyways, I gathered the skirt and I attached it to the top, which is what you just saw there. I did attach it wrong, so I had to completely seam rip it off and then redo it because it was bunched and backwards and just incorrect. But I got it on and it looked great. It was really fun. I'm adding on some straps that I repurposed from another dress because, remind you, this collection is sustainable. We are trying to be sustainable queens. Here I'm adding on like little buttons on the side and some loops, because what I'm actually going to do is be able to like move some of the fabric up. That way you can kind of see the blue underneath, as well as like, you know, I don't know, it's just more fun. It gives a little bit more movement, a little bit more texture to the dress other than just like a standard baby doll dress. And I really enjoyed it this way. I wore it this way the entire night that I wore it. Here's our full look together, included with the famous Barbie shoe purse. She was beloved of the night. And then we've got, of course, like the little Western cowgirl hat, my favorite one, that has like the little gems on it. So this vest and shorts look, I lost a lot of the footage for. But essentially it's just repurposed from a like jacket that I bought at a thrift store that I just kind of like tore apart, cut into pieces. I made a velvet vest with a floral lining, and then floral shorts with like some velvet cuffs on them. So pretty much you're just going to see me going through that, which honestly is, this footage is pretty boring. What I did have left is just like me like smoothing things down and making a few stitches. I apologize. So what happened was I was trying to send all of this. So I'm using my iPhone because I don't know where my camera charger is. And I was trying to send all of this to myself via email. And I was doing it, and it moved it all to the recently deleted folder, and I was going into recently deleted to delete it because I don't have any storage left on my phone, which is another conversation. But I like went to delete other footage and I accidentally like deleted all of it, and I saw it disappear from my phone, and I was like, it's fine, I guess I could just cry. I don't like, there's no way to get this back because it was not on my iCloud. Like, it's just gone, unless I use that recovery software, and I wasn't doing that. Alright, so after that was done, I am traveling to Charleston. Like I said, I was going to Charleston for a few reasons. One of those reasons was to see my friend from college, Courtney. You're going to see her in this next clip. She actually went to the Barbie party with me as like a little astronaut, and it was adorable. She was like the most popular of the night. Love you, Courtney, you're wonderful. Alright, but first, we have to see the Barbie movie. We don't want any spoilers at the party. So here's me getting ready for the movie, my little makeup look that I did. I'm holding up the vest in kind of a, I don't know, this is a really silly way. And then I was like, I'll do a little clip of me like getting dressed. But I mean, I can't really it's YouTube. I can't really do that entirely. So I just put the vest on. And here's me like buttoning it. Yeah, I didn't get to show you guys the button, but it's like a glitter button and it's really fun. And then I'm about to style it in a second with some accessories. We're adding on these heart glasses for a nice little touch. We're kind of going for like a Malibu Barbie, but not entirely Malibu Barbie, just kind of like a general cute Barbie look. Added on this black belt to match with the black shoes, as well as cover up some of the stitching on the shorts because it needs to be fixed, but I didn't have time. And then here, since it is a formal event, we are painting our nails. I didn't have time to go get my nails done, because I literally finished these looks and then went to Charleston like 8 or 9 hours later. So I like am painting my nails right before the movie. All right, here's me in the car reflecting on how I'm going to go see a cinematic masterpiece. I'm very excited about it. I was like, this will be a really cool shot if I like look out into the distance. It just looks like when you're a kid and you're like following the moon to like a really sad song that your mom's listening to from the 90s. It didn't turn out the way I thought. This was also my drink that I got that was butterfly pea powder, but they forgot to bring me the little thing that makes it turn color, so there's me thinking that it was going to turn color. We went to the movie theater. As soon as we walk in, there is a weird little display with these like Barbies that are like vets and mermaids, but it was kind of fun. Lots of girlies dressed in pink and formal wear. I loved it. Time to watch the movie. So as soon as we exit the theater, there is a TCBY, which felt very monumental to me. I love TCBY. But what felt more monumental to me was how incredible the film I just witnessed was. I had to take like an actual second. Like, people were talking in the car. I had to take an actual second to like think in my head, like debrief in my head about how beautiful that movie was. Oh my god. Hey there, Editor Heather here. At this point, I wanted to sit down and have a conversation about what I felt about the movie, because I felt like what I have going on so far, I don't have enough space to really discuss this with you guys, to really get into the meat, the juiciness of it all. So I feel like that was one of the greatest movies of all time. Everyone's talking about the mother-daughter dynamic. We're not gonna discuss that on this page. But what we are going to discuss is how beautifully shot the movie was. Let's reflect on that for a second. That was a beautiful fucking movie. Are you kidding? Just all the pink, like all the set. I saw that none of it was CGI. Greta Gerwig. Girl. Incredible. Incredible of you to do that. Oh my god, you're crazy. Absolutely adored it. Mojo Dojo Casa House. Hilarious. So funny to me. Are you kidding? I've been in that exact house before. You know what? I've lived in that exact house before. I've lived with a man. Yikes. It was truly so incredible. I laughed, I cried. I felt like it was like a perfect movie to come out for where I'm at in my life right now. The speech about what it's like to be a woman punched me in my gut. Such a wonderful experience. I had like a really great time. I'm going to go back and see it again. Please discuss in the comments your favorite part of the movie. I was gonna say that it's like the Ken, like I'm just Ken part, but that would also be a lie, because there's like a million favorite parts of this movie. Like, it's so good. And honestly, I didn't know where it was going for like the majority of it, which I loved. I was like, oh, so surprised. You know what part really got me? Depression Barbie. Because listen, oof. That was so real. But I can beat the allegations. And you know why? Because I watched the 2005 Pride and Prejudice version. Okay? I don't watch the BBC version. You know why? I love Keira Knightley. Don't we all? Isn't she so beautiful? Don't we just love Keira Knightley? Really a cinematic masterpiece. If anyone says anything else about the Barbie movie, about how it's not a cinematic masterpiece, they're just a liar. You don't like joy, magic, and fun? Okay. Heard that. You suck? Good to know. I want to be friends with someone who hates joy, magic, and fun? You're boring, so you suck? Yeah, get out of my face. Everybody likes the Barbie movie. Everybody likes the Barbie movie. It's colorful. It's funny. It's a little sad at times. It makes you rethink life and friendships. It makes you relive your childhood, but also come to terms with what it's like to be like an adult and have emotions and intense feelings and rights. Not so much on that last one for me personally. But you know, also closing statement on the movie. I want to live in Barbie Land. Nothing's ever wrong. Pink paradise. Hang out with my friends all the time. Everything's about women. Yeah, that kind of sounds like heaven to me. Oh, you don't feel things, you don't have intense emotions. I'm tired of having intense emotions. I want to live in Barbie Land. Right? No! Anyways, back to the cinematic masterpiece that is my double feature Barbie fashion collection. Guys, now that we've seen the movie, it's time to go to the Barbie premiere party. Here's a beautiful sunset that I saw when I was in Charleston that felt very fitting, okay? It's a Barbie weekend. There's a pink sunset. Oh, we love her. Here's me getting ready for the Barbie party. I did like a pink and a blue look to match the dress, the full fit in the mirror. I didn't get as much get ready with me for this because I was rushing to this party. I'm telling you guys, it was a chaotic weekend, okay? It was a chaotic week. I was there for a while, but it was so busy, so jam-packed. Here we are waiting in line to go to the famous Barbie party. I mean, it's not really that famous, but here's all the little bubbles on like one of the entryways. Oh, she's so cute. Isn't that so fun? You can see the sneak peek of all the like balloons, everyone dressed in pink. There's a girl in like a formal dress that was like basically half the attendees, and so much Barbie decor. Like, honestly, the way they decorated this event was incredible. There were so many photo opportunities and also just like Barbie themed things to like look at and enjoy. It was kind of like, look at this, there's an acrobatic team that was there. Like, are you kidding me? They had go-go dancers at one point, guys. Go-go, you can kind of see them in the background there. They're slaying. Here's me in the like balloon pit that they had. It was really, this video is so awkward because it was really warm in there, and also I kept getting smacked in the face by air and like balloons, so I was kind of like not having the best time in there, but I was doing my best, some might say. But yeah, it was beautiful. I had a great experience in there, kind of. Not really, it was 25 seconds. A lot of camaraderie at the event. Here's a girl with a floodlight because it got dark helping other girls take photos. Are you kidding? Just an overall beautiful and incredible event. I had such a wonderful time. Honestly, most incredible night out in a while. Wow, guys. That was a roller coaster of a ride. Incredible. We haven't seen each other for like 7 minutes. Except that I ended that first video and then I just hit record. And I'm recording the outro. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this double feature. Dress is probably my new favorite in the collection so far, but I'm sure that that will continue to change until the entire collection is done. I'm sure that I will continue to have a new favorite because I keep having new favorites. Everything that I create, it was really twirly, like kind of big, which I loved about her. There was a lot of fabric going on, a lot of movement. I love an outfit with a lot of movement. That's very important to me, especially in this collection. I was like, everything needs to move. Everything needs to have movement, you know? But I loved her. I loved being Hoedown, Throwdown Barbie. I had a lot of fun seeing my friend Courtney. It was a very chaotic week. I actually got back into town, fun fact, like Monday, and then immediately got ready and left my house again 45 minutes after I arrived from an 8.5-hour drive to go to a Big Time Rush concert, which is actually a rather exciting story that I'd love to get in next time if you guys are interested. It was a very long and chaotic night at that Big Time Rush concert, but it was worth it. It was worth it. The trip was worth it. Everything was worth it. I hope you guys had the most fantastic time watching this video, watching the chaos that I created. Think of nothing better than an event to create an outfit for. I've got many more of these videos on the way. They'll be releasing the 26th of each month. I'm going to be releasing a few videos here and there in between of different projects that I've got coming up. I'm really excited about them. I hope you guys are. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you tune in again next month on the 26th for more of the Barbie series, and continue tuning in the rest of the month for more Dubé Designs content. Love you guys so much. Bye. Drop a happy birthday in the comments. It's about to be my birthday. It's Leo season. Of course, I'm releasing a video in Leo season. I'm releasing many videos in Leo season. Slang. I'm glowing.